In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Dhgate order on phone. Start by opening the Dhgate app on your phone. Make sure you're connected to the internet, and if possible, that the app is updated so everything loads smoothly. When the app opens, log into your account using the same credentials you used when you placed the order. If you have more than one account, double check you're in the right one so your orders appear correctly. From the home screen, go to My Orders. Depending on your app layout, this may be on the bottom menu or inside your account tab. This page lists everything you've bought along with quick labels like processing, shipped, or delivered. Find the order you want to follow and tap it to open the details. On the order page, look for the button labeled Track Order or sometimes Logistics. The wording can vary across app versions, but both options take you to the same place, the Shipment Tracking view. Tap it to open the tracking panel. Here you'll see a few key pieces of information. The order status shows where your package is in the journey, such as seller processing, shipped, in transit, out for delivery, or delivered. The shipping carrier tells you who is moving the package, which helps you understand the typical speed and update frequency. The tracking number is the unique code for your shipment. It's useful for confirming details or communicating with support if needed. Delivery updates appear as a timeline or a list of scans with locations and timestamps. So you can see when the label was created, when it left the warehouse, when it arrived at a sorting center, and when it's on the way to your address. If your tracking number was just created, give it a little time to update. It can take 24 to 48 hours for carriers to start showing movement after a label is issued. Also, some carriers batch updates, so you may see a jump in progress after a short lull, rather than frequent small changes. A couple of quick tips to keep everything clear. Ensure the shipping address in your order details is correct, and consider enabling notifications in the app so you get alerts for major status changes. If you notice no movement for longer than expected or see an exception message, use the messages option inside the order to contact the seller or reach out to Dhgate support with your order number for help. That's it. Open the app, log in, head to My Orders, select your purchase, and tap Track Order or Logistics to see your status, carrier,